Benz B-Class. There is no visible gear lever here where you normally find a vehicle gear lever. This is not a gear lever. The gear lever is here. The steering, that's like a champion gear. That's where you find reverse. Neutral is on the center together with the parking as well as the drive. So first thing, let's start from here. The vehicle is on. Yeah, so your brake is here. That's where the handbrake is. This one. So observing from there. It's off. So it only goes off once you press on the brake after starting. And when you press, it goes on. When you pull, off. Push, on. So here, since I want to drive, put the handbrake off and I push the gear up to engage in reverse. You can see it's in reverse. To put in neutral, you press here, then it's in parking, which is also the same as neutral there. To drive, you push down here. That's when you're going to drive forward. Park. So now I'm reversing and see it's showing. Okay. Done with my reversing. Now I want to go forward, so just push this down and then see it's in drive. It's going forward. That's all.